welcome back. It's a new day. We need to take these off and put the next ones on, so let's get to it. And to do that, we're just simply going to pull the pins out. The glue will have, in some instances, dried to the stick pins. And if that's the case, then you just keep tugging at it and it will release. After a while, if you do enough with these stick pins of gluing things to use them to form it with, you will get a glue buildup on there. That's simple to remove. Just get a piece of sandpaper and rub it off. And there we have it. It looks pretty good. There isn't a lot of residue from the glue on there. There's a little bit of hairy spots. You just pick that off. Then you can go ahead and cut this tail that you ended your crocheting with off, because it is now securely glued into the pattern and it's not going to come off. We're going to lay this gently to the side. I'm going to put it up here on my drying box so it doesn't get deformed. Let's go ahead and take the maroon one off and see how closely in size they're going to match. You excited to see what it looks like? I am. Each phase of this gives you a new bit of anticipation. So here we go. I think that's gorgeous. This one has a little bit more glue fuzz on it than the other one did, but again, you just pick it off. There. Now let's just kind of fit these two together just to see what is what. And they're pretty close. The white one is bigger, but the white one also is a different weight string. So it's going to be, the total product is going to be bigger. Now, being as we have two left to do, let's get started and get these stuck on here so we can get them formed. Again, you're going to want to find the center, or the same point that you did with that one has to be the starting one. It must be right. We'll go ahead and cut the center tail off. We're back. These are all pinned on, and we're going to repeat the process yesterday of glue starching them alone with that silver or glittered paint, because I think it will really enhance the whole snowflake. Well, we're going to start this long, slow process of glittering or gluing this, and see how far along I can get on this snowflake without having to mix up some more of this. This one is all starched. We're going to set it aside to dry, and I'm going to take this one and paint the inside clusters so that as it moves gently in the air currents, it's going to sparkle as well. So we'll just go ahead and finish this off, and we can flip that. When I make a dimensional snowflake, I like to make a bigger pattern. I haven't tried a littler pattern because it's design-wise pretty active. And if you do a little one, here we go. If you do a little one, it's hard to see the beauty of the stitches. And the whole idea is not so much the shape, but the beauty of the stitches. We'll move that over here, and you can see we have a beautiful white snowflake. We're going to go ahead and cut the back string off this side, and again we can cut off this upper string here. Again, we're just going to get the clusters. And I'm really not going to worry too much about this center part because that is going to be pretty much hidden with the other two pieces glued over this. Looks like we'll have just enough of this glue left to do that one when it dries, and we can take it off. So I'll spread a little bit here simply because we're going to have enough. All right. Now, when that dries, that will glitter, or yes, that will glitter as well. We'll set him over here, and we'll put our cover on the little bit of glue we have left and set that over here as well. I took and went ahead and glued this one off camera, and we are now going to take the last motif that is dried and ready to go off its cardboard. All right, here we go. This is actually kind of fun. There's that one. So we have the white one and the maroon one. And you can see the different sizes. They're both just lovely. The red one is with a smaller weight string, and the white one is with a heavier weight string. I don't like to crochet with yarn. I like to crochet with crocheting string. So this is how we're going to put it together, because this and this was chosen as the bend points. We're going to have to match it up with the back. So when I get the other one done, we're going to glue it together so that this one sticks out. We'll glue it so this one there and that one there, and it sticks out. And you can see, not real well, but you can see the beginning of the dimensional snowflake. one, and we'll stick this one. Oh, you can see this one better. And you're seeing the beginning of how it'll be a dimensional. Of course, once it's glued on, it'll be in the proper orientation, and it won't be bending around because it'll all be glued together into one solid unit. But we're almost there. This afternoon I'll come up and check these to see if these are dried, and if they are dry, then we'll go ahead and assemble our dimensional snowflake. Don't go away. You want to try to keep that bead of glue as narrow as you can. So there we have the beginning. We have the back part to put on yet, and a hanger. So let's set this one aside and get this one here done. So we want to find the correct points, get it orientated, and start with our gluing. Okay, there's the red one. I still like the white one best. And the maroon one. See how different the two patterns look, but the two colors look exact same pattern. Now, this evening, we'll get those two glued on and we'll show you the finished result. Come back soon. Welcome back. I took these off already because you've already seen how it's done. So let's get going on the final step of assembling these. So we're going to want to take this because of the angle so we can preserve our snowflake. And we're going to put that on there so it keeps that And we just repeat what we did with the other side. Trying to give it a good we'll gently lay that to the side and do the same thing with this one. We'll remove this from our case and that. And I went ahead and I made 2 hangers that we're going to hook these on. And we need to decide which one. I think that one looks pretty nice there. And this one continues on with a crystal. And being as this end is more perfect, and this one has the center motif that was a little bit bigger, we're going to put this on the perfect end. And we're just going to try and get it to go in however we can. That's not going to go that way. So what if we were to just go in the center motif? There we go. But that's going to hang crooked, so no, gotta come up with a different plan. Okay, it took a little bit of discussion with the snowflakes, but they're done. So I'll show you the least favorite of mine, and that is this one. I don't like this one as much as the white one because you can see pretty much every flaw it has, from pin positioning and blocking it to glue I couldn't get off of it, but it's very lovely. it has many possibilities. You could take glitter glue, for instance, and go around each of the peaks and make little sparkling spots that will catch the light. And this one is my favorite. I was able to get most of the glue off of it from blocking it, and it's just exquisite. The glitter glue mixture that we used in this one definitely enhanced it, because I don't know if you can see it, but where the light is catching it, it sparkles. I wouldn't change anything with this. Now we'll put it together. Now I have to find some place to hang these, because they will not take storage easily, because wherever it sits, it puts a pressure point on the dimensional parts of it, and being as the glue is flexible, it allows that part to collapse and give in. So it has to be stored hanging with nothing touching any of the points. So they're a thing of beauty. They take a long time to accomplish, but when you get them made and they turn out right, you feel so satisfied. And I haven't found the best way to do it yet. I have tried creating boxes that, like this, that would allow it to hang, but that takes a large storage space. I think they're designed, unless you make little ones, I think they're just designed to enjoy for the season. That concludes this one, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were amazed at how string could just be morphed into something so incredibly beautiful. And until you come back and visit me again, I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.